combination reaction of metal with chlorine. As we know, chlorine is a very reactive non-metal, which combines with metals as well as hydrogen and results in formation of corresponding chlorides. So here I have the reactivity series starts with potassium. So potassium metal combines chlorine in order to give me potassium chloride, that's 2 KCl. Okay. Same happens with sodium metal. It also reacts with chlorine in order to give me 2 NaCl. In order to balance this, I'll multiply sodium by 2. Calcium metal do react with chlorine in order to give corresponding CaCl2, calcium chloride. Magnesium metal do react with chlorine in order to give me magnesium chloride, that's MgCl2. Aluminium do combine with chlorine so as to give me AlCl3. So I'll multiply aluminium by 2 and chlorine by 3 in order to balance the reaction. Zinc also reacts with chlorine in order to give me ZnCl2. So this is zinc chloride. Now the reaction with iron is somewhat interesting. So we have iron do combine with chlorine. The expected product is FeCl2. But this FeCl2 get converted or get oxidized to FeCl3 as a product, which will come as in reddish brown flakes. Now, why does this particular thing happens? In this particular case, chlorine being an oxidizing agent, oxidizes ferrous salt to give corresponding ferric salt. So here in this particular case, chlorine is an oxidizing agent. So due to this particular oxidizing nature, whatever the ferrous chloride which has been formed get converted into ferric chloride. So the final product which you obtain, that is ferric chloride. Then next we have lead. Now lead metal do combine with chlorine in order to give me PbCl2, which is white in color and water insoluble. This PbCl2 is soluble in hot water. PbCl2 is soluble in hot water. Otherwise, it comes as a white precipitate. Now, hydrogen combines with chlorine in presence of diffused sunlight. To give hydrogen chloride gas. Now, the reaction in dark is not happening, and reaction in sunlight, it's very violent. So we try to take this particular reaction in diffuse sunlight. Copper combines with chlorine in order to give me CuCl2. This is called as cupric chloride, which is generally found as a blue color solid. Okay. Now, the next element which we have, that is mercury. So mercury combines with chlorine in order to give me HgCl2. It's a mercury chloride. So generally this is volatile substance. That means it gets converted into vapor state very easily. It gets converted into vapor state very easily. The last element which we have to react with chlorine in activity series, that is silver. Now silver also do react with chlorine so as to give me AgCl. This is also white solid, which is water insoluble in nature. So this is about your reaction of chlorine with non-metal. Thank you for watching.